Alright, y'all, it is about to happen. I just took the hood off the Beast and we are about to paint it. Already started sanding. This is the before. Stay tuned for the during and after. Alrighty, so I just washed the hood. Regular stuff to wash your car with. And I'm gonna let it dry out. Hit it with some grease and wax remover. And then we're going on to some primer. So there is 3 coats of paint, covered up nicely. We're about to shoot some clear, see how it comes out. Alrighty, it's looking really nice. Bam, fucking run. We'll get it taken care of. Let's see how it dries.